Cool. All right, so I don't think I've gone live on here a whole lot. Basically, hi, I'm the owner of PEACHYGIRLCALIWORLD. That's Peachy World on POSHMARK. You guys can't see me. That's Peachy World on POSHMARK. And basically, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I ordered a mystery box from VoyageIsAVerb. They're a husband and wife business duo. They're funny on Instagram. They give a lot of tips, a lot of helpful things. You might hear my upset dog in the background. He's okay. And I also ordered some goodies from Audmagic, and they create specialty soaps and fragrances. So I just thought I would share with you all what I got. So I think I want to start, actually I want to save the Audmagic for last because I have some extra words to say. So we'll start with the mystery box from VoyageIsAVerb. You can see it's still sealed. You can also hear my very, very upset dog. But he's fine. He's eaten. He's been outside. He just wants the attention to always stay on him. If he could say hello to you all, I'm sure he would. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. This smells good. I don't know if you guys like smell the clothes when you're thrifting or when you're looking for them, but it says, "Thank you. You just made our day with love from Temp, Arizona." And then it has their contact information on the back. So if you want to check them out, follow them, find them, VoyageIsAVerb on Instagram. They also run a website. What are you doing? A website called Twice Star Cost, where they only charge you double what they paid for it, which is awesome. You know what I mean? It's not price gouging, and that's super discounted when you think about the money that resellers have to spend on taxes, gas, their time, how you value your time, like twice your cost. That's a really good price. Anywho, they often, I won't say often, but I follow them, so maybe it's often to me. They put up mystery boxes, and I always miss them. I remember one time they put up, one time they put up, you guys can't see me. One time they put up for the third time, like $7 or $13 mystery boxes. They had like 5 pieces, and every time I went to click on it, they were sold out. So I was happy to finally find one of these. Hey, Jamie. So I'm going to show you what I ordered. Well, not what I ordered, but it's a mystery box. I'm going to show you what they sent me. So the first, and this is a dresses mystery box. So all 6 pieces will be dresses. So the first item is a Chelsea 28 velvet wrap new with tags dress. It's really long, maxi type. It's a blue velvet dress. It smells really good. I don't know what they wash with, but it smells really good. This is the size medium. Again, new with tags. And this feels really nice. Even though it's blue, it still seems very festive, like Christmas dressy. I keep forgetting that you guys are watching there, so let me let me make sure that I'm seeing you guys too and not just my Instagram. Sorry about that. All right, our next item, Oliver, please don't do that. He is very interested. He really wants to speak and say hello to you guys, but not right now. Go sit down. So our next one is Maternal America. I've never heard of Maternal America. I'm going to assume that it's a maternity brand. Go sit down, please. Thank you. This is a size small. It's black. It looks like it's a wrap dress. Nope. It's like an A-line skater dress. Also smells very good. Again, Maternal America. It's my first time hearing of it. This is new. Technically, I would call this new with tags, but a lot of people don't call this new with tags. So, but to me, it would be new with tags. I would just, put a picture of it. This looks fun. This looks so fun. What is this? This is a brand called Wild Honey. This looks like such a fun dress. Is it button? Oh, it's snap buttons. How easy is that? Easy on, easy off. He is going to get into something, and I'm going to have to run around. This is a size large. It looks boxy, but I feel like once it goes on, it would be really cute. I try not to get high on my own supply, but this is just such a fun and interesting dress, so I'm thinking about it. So that's dress number 3. Again, it's a 6-piece mystery box dress. A lot of these are hefty. I appreciate that since, you know, we are heading towards fall and winter. It's getting seasonal, so this one is very, very hefty. Let's see. This is a City Chic. I've heard of that brand. I don't think I've sold a lot of it. I don't think I pick it up really. This is a size large/20. I don't know if that L stands for large because this is clearly like plus sizing. Size 20 reminds me of like Avenue. So also really nice dress, as you guys can see. City Chic. Also smells really good. I kind of want to ask them if they wash it with something or if they steam it with something in particular. It's kind of like a flare skated dress. So that's dress number 4. We have two more. It's getting hot up here. I'm in the garage, you guys. All right, this is dress number 5. I'm looking for the tag. Okay, so this is the Nicole Miller collection, but it's like peeling off so you can barely see. I know, Ashley, hey, that's what I said. I'm like, I don't get high on my own supply, but I kind of want to keep that dress. I don't know how it would look, but I kind of want to keep it. This feels like lace and embroidery, and then it's lined. He's going to get into something, and I'm going to have to take him to the Petco or the Thrive Vet, and that's going to make me very, very behind my schedule. Anywho's, this one's very, very cute. Also thick enough for fall and winter, whether you want to put a jacket on it or not. It's a zipper closure. It's black and blue, and it's a size 4. Uh-oh. Oliver, he unplugged my ring light. Hang on. Sit down, please. Sit. Sit. Thank you. Cheese and bread. All right. Let me hurry this up because he's getting restless. And our last one, dress number 6. Oh, this looks really pretty. This looks bridal-ish. What is this? A brand called Speechless. It's a size 1. When you have the odd numbers like that, it's usually a junior size dress. This is really cute. It looks really graduation ceremony-ish. Or if you're attending one of those weddings where you're allowed to wear white, this looks really, really cute. Sometimes one, I want to say, converts to like a small or extra small for adults. So really cute. Speechless, size 1, new with tags also. So awesome. I'm very pleased with what I received. The boxes were $30 plus shipping, and of course I have some POSHMARK credit, so it was like 20-something bucks. I am still holding out for when they throw up those $7 and $13 mystery boxes again. So now we're going to open the delivery from Audmagic. That's AUDMAGIC, and they create artisanal soaps, and they do all kinds of, oh my gosh, it smells so good. They do all kinds of things. It's a Black-owned business. This is so nice. She shows what's included on it. It says, thank you for your support in your business. I hope these products bless you beyond measure. Every bar of soap was made with intention and prayed over with the intent that it helps you on your path and helps you reach your highest good. I say. This is so cute. Not cute. This is so boss. This is boss. I love to see people that I know like going into business for themselves, and not even if it's just about money, but doing something that you enjoy. Like if I could support you and get something in return of it, like an exchange of goods, like I'm all for it. And then she also wrote me a personal note. So it's like I already have these expectations that this is going to be great, and personal notes just send it over the moon. So, oh, these smell delicious. I ordered 2 different kinds, or maybe 3. No, I ordered 3 different kinds. So one I ordered is called Van Van, and this one basically was talking about wealth and blessings, and this smells really good. It smells like I thought it would smell, which is delicious. This one, the hyssop, frankincense, and myrrh. I just for some reason I really like the name, and I like the scents and stuff that were in there as well. So this one was in there, and I have pretty sure another one is the Van Van, yes. And the other one is the Florida Water. So this is the Florida Water Sea Salt Bar. That smells delicious. Like, that smells like, it just smells clean. You know, sometimes you don't want a floral scent. Sometimes you don't want something that's super girly, super musky, super woodsy. Sometimes you just want to smell clean, like like Florida Water Salt Bar. So if you all want to support her, she's at AUDMAGIC, pronounced Audmagic. These smell delicious. I do plan on opening the Van Van first, and thank you Audmagic for sending me these. I did pay for them. This is a black business, so you all go support. I will let you know how these feel on my skin, but everything is made with intention, and I feel like made with love, so it wasn't a doubt in my mind that I was going to support her as soon as I could. There was one bar, it was like a rose sea salt or black sea salt that was out of stock, but once that gets back in stock, I'm running to buy that one. So I think that's all, you guys. I keep forgetting you guys down here. He's shaking. He's ready to go. Yeah, I wanted to record this because, again, I don't really come on here often, but also I needed some content for my YouTube. So thanks for stopping in. I hope you all have a wonderful Thursday. It's your pre-weekend Friday. Hope you're making good choices, making good decisions, and staying safe. Bye. Bye.